If you have to uninstall Oracle and start a fresh installation, you will most likely encounter this red error message, meaning that an Oracle AI database already exists in this machine, and this is because the uninstall did not remove all previous Oracle services. Let's check these services. To do this, right-click on the Start menu and click Run. The Run window opens. Type services.msc and press Enter or click OK. Let's check services and search for Oracle in Windows Services. Sort the services by name, then you will see that some of the Oracle services belong to the old installation and need to be removed. The most important of these services that must be removed before a new installation is Oracle Service Free. The most important of these services that must be removed before a new installation is Oracle Service Free. For this we need command line or terminal in administrator mode. To open terminal in administrator mode, go to Start menu and right-click on Terminal, then select More to open new small menu and finally click Run as administrator. This is command line or terminal in administrator mode. Type this command and press Enter. SC delete Oracle Service Free. This is command delete the service and the problem solved. If we check these services again, we won't see them again. Cancel the installation and try it again. Of course, you can go back to the previous step with the back button and click Next there.